We all love our dogs, and they surely love us back. But when it comes to taking them out for a walk, sometimes we could all use a little help. Leash training can be a big challenge for the everyday dog owner. You have to recognize when the dog starts to pull, stop walking immediately so they can come back, and then reinforce them for walking nicely. For the multitaskers out there, this can be especially frustrating if the dog keeps tugging while you're trying to get things done. Frankly, it can start to feel exhausting and impossible. That's why we created Pooch Pacer, the tool that lets dogs know to always stay by your side. Pooch Pacer works through auditory cues. Whenever your dog tugs on the leash too hard, Pooch Pacer emits a beep that's just loud enough to let you and your dog know it's time to reset. And then you can reward your dog when they stay close to you. Before long, your dog will be properly conditioned to stick by your side. It's super easy to attach and looks great. Weighing only 40 grams, it's lighter than your pocket change, so your dog won't even notice it. The splash-proof membrane speaker keeps the elements out, and the entire system is weather-sealed, so you know you're covered, rain or shine. It has a long-lasting battery to keep up with all your daily walks, and it's crazy strong, so Pooch Pacer can handle any degree of pulling while still keeping your dog secure. And don't worry, big or small, Pooch Pacer is adjustable for all dog sizes. Simply turn the dial to your desired sensitivity and you're good to go. Finally, you guys will be able to enjoy your walks without all the struggle. Pooch Pacer, dog walking made easy.